how you can get your 4,000 watch hours very fast. Today, I'm going to be sharing a few tips with you of what you can be doing to get your 4,000 watch hours really fast. So we know that the requirement for monetization is definitely 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So today in this video, we are going to be dealing solely on the things you should have in place, what you should be doing consistently to make sure that you get you get your 4,000 watch hours fast enough. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Angela, the face behind this channel, and I'm always excited to share my experience with you, or share YouTube growth tips, motivate you or inspire you, or to keep going in this YouTube journey. So if you are a new creator, you got this. If I am here telling you this, just believe that you got this, because if I can do it, so can you. So now let's go back to today's topic. So what should you be doing to make sure that you are accumulating your watch hours? Okay, first and foremost, you have to master the art of storytelling. The art of storytelling now goes into your thumbnails, the title of your video, the quality and the content of your video matters a lot. Okay, so you have to portray your thumbnail in a way that will spike curiosity in people, that they want to watch your video. Your title has to connect with people emotionally. It has to, give someone, more reasons to go ahead and see what you have to say. I don't know if you are understanding me. Okay, so your titles, your thumbnails, and the title of your thumbnails, plays a vital role in getting your 4,000 watch hours. Why do I say so? Because obviously, if you upload a video on YouTube and your thumbnails, it's not inviting, yeah, nobody's going to click. Nobody is going to click on that video and want to watch it. So that's the starting point if you want to get people to watch your videos, because you need views to get your watch hours. Okay, the more views you have, the more you are accumulating your watch hours. So just first of all, understand that you need views to get watch hours. Then number two, you have to make sure that you are making evergreen videos that actually interest people to watch. Yeah, for example, how do you know evergreen videos? Evergreen videos are videos that somebody is looking for constantly on a daily. Okay, and depending on your niche, how you can find out what your evergreen video is simply to go to your popular videos, the videos that have the most view, that have the most engagements, that has the most shares. Your popular videos is how you know which one is your evergreen video in your channel. Okay, now let's say you posted a particular video and this video is performing better than the of the other videos you have. Yeah, it doesn't matter if your highest view so far is 100 view or 50 views. Okay, but whatever video is showing at the top of the most popular video in your channel simply means that that's the best video that you have for now. So what you can do is to keep promoting similar content to that. Okay, so that's also how you know what your audience are interested in watching. Okay, that means your audience now, your subscribers, are more interested in that type of video. So whenever you post something completely different, maybe they will not be interested to watch it because they are not interested. Maybe they are not looking for that particular topic at that particular moment. Yeah, but when you post the videos, the type of videos that are performing well in your channel more often, you are more likely to get increase in views, engagements, shares, and all that. Okay, so definitely that's that. And then number three, you have to make sure that you are creating a playlist. A playlist has a way of boosting your views. Why? Because after somebody's finished watching your video, a particular video, the next video we start playing in your channel. Yeah, so that way you are accumulating views. Okay, so if you want to know one of the strategies I use to boost my watch hours, watch this video to the end, because I'll be sharing what I did to boost my watch hours in less than 3-4 months, I already hit 3,000 watch hours and I'm already monetized. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this now. So let me tell you, if you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, subscribe now, because I'm bringing you so many goodies similar to this one right here. So let's forge ahead. So if you want to boost your 4,000 watch hours, which other things should you be doing? Make sure that you are using end screen chapters on your videos. Okay, this is another way that you can keep promoting all the rest of your video from your channel, that will also make other people to start watching. Maybe somebody finish watching your video now, and then at the end of the video, at the end of your video, like the last 20 seconds or 30 seconds of your video, those end screen that you added to your video, they are going to pop up on your screen. So let's say now you are watching this video and it's all about 4,000 watch hours, and then at the end of this video, my end screen is going to pop up showing you how to get 1,000 subscribers. So perhaps you are also looking for something like that, because trying to get to 1,000 watch hours and 4,000. Perhaps maybe you are still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, right? So there is a very big chance that you will still click on that particular video and continue. So at the end of the day, the target is to gather your views and increase your watch hours. So another thing you should be doing if you want to accumulate your watch hours is make sure that you are posting consistently. Upload videos regularly and consistently. Okay. So if I say consistently, I'm not telling you to go and be pushing out videos 10 times a day. You have to stick with the schedule that works for you. If you say you want to be posting once a week, every Monday, stick to that schedule. If you want to be posting twice a week, stick to that schedule. Okay, so that the YouTube algorithm will also be able to work with you and push your videos to the right people. Now, the last on my list and the most effective, if you ask me, is doing live stream. If you are not able to go live regularly in person, then make sure you have a Restream software. We have different types. We have OBS, we have Prism Light, we have Restream IO. Personally, I am using Restream IO, and Restream IO has helped me a lot to boost my watch hours, because I was able to restream pre-recorded video on my channel even while I was sleeping for hours. So now this is something that you cannot do if you are going live in person. Maximum you stay there for an hour or two, but you cannot afford to stay on the live stream for more than 10 hours. But if you are restreaming a pre-recorded video, you will be able to do this. And trust me, every view you get during your life counts towards monetization. So this is why you are able to really gather and accumulate a lot of watch hours during a live restream or silent live stream, or when you are going live. Okay, I have different videos on this topic on my channel about Restream IO, frequently asked questions, what you should avoid when using Restream IO, even shared my results in one of the videos. I have created a playlist about Restream, mastering Restream IO. You will find this in my channel. So if you are interested in using this application to boost your watch hours, go ahead and watch that playlist. And if you have any questions, of course, always drop it in the comments and I will be happy to respond to you ASAP. The thing is that YouTube growth is not one day thing. So you have to understand that it will take time. You know, for some people it takes longer, and for others it takes a shorter period of time. But just make sure that you are consistent, and then you are doing what you are supposed to do in order to reach your goal. If you quit, now you lose. So that's it from me today. So if you found value in this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, comment, like, and share. Spread the good news so that other people can benefit from this video, especially if you know someone who is just starting out on YouTube and still trying to figure out what they should be doing and what not. I also have a video where I spoke about what you should focus on as a new creator, the things you should be focusing on. Okay, it will also help you a lot to channel your energy in the right place instead of worrying about the wrong things. I believe that as a new creator, your main focus should be the quality of your content, what you are putting out there, improving in your titles and thumbnails, and also making sure that your video is reaching people. Okay, you have to engage with other creators so that you will also bring traction to your channel. You have to be visible, you have to put yourself out there. Okay, so that's it for today. Of course, there are other strategies that you can apply if you want to get 4,000 watch hours. Perhaps I might create another video talking about the same topic. So thank you for watching, everyone. Do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.